No.
I didn't know.
You dumb dumbass.
Alright, so I know it's been like a really long time and stuff, but I made like a million videos, but I was too lazy to like edit them and put them on the computer and stuff. So yeah, and I was busy for like a long time. I was grounded for like ever. So yeah, but other than that, I'm good to go now. So yay me, long live the queen. Once I was the king of Spain. So my original idea was to burp to 7 Things by Miley Cyrus, and I'm gonna do it again. It's just in that video that I made. I looked really bad and greasy, and my burp sucked. I'm gonna remake it. It's gonna be pretty good. Yeah. I turned the sound off. That was smart of me.
But it doesn't get those games when I think about the previous relationship we shared. It was awesome, but with us, it's not possible for me.
Me.
Not to get. Now we're standing in the rain. Nothing's ever gonna change until you're here. My tears. Never said about you. Never said about you. Oh, you. You're a man, you're a game, you're in the game. You love me, you like her. Made me laugh. You made me cry.
I forgot the lyrics.
I guess that's cool, I'll have to buy. When we get, I'm in my dive. You made me laugh, you made me cry. Your hand in mine when we're intertwined. Everything's alright. I won't be with what I know. And the damn thing I like the most that you do. Oh, you make me love you. You do. La la la.
Talk to me.
Can you imagine?
They're gonna come out.
Talk to me.
For one day he says all he could probably do.
I just
Don't go
want
to camp.
love. Feed me.
We're gonna have to take some air matters and stuff. We're gonna have a big crew.
Hungry.
We're going to Randall?
Well, we're
We're
gonna
gonna
redo
build
the
a
deck
deck.
on our.
Oh, yeah.
And
Oh.
move in and
Move our
plant
stuff.
I have a burp in the oven right now. It's cooking. it will erupt soon, and when that happens, it will be a joyous occasion.
Take a look. Very nice. Very nice.
Ooh. Ooh.
Thank you. Why, you're quite welcome, baby.
Here? That's my one. That's Fruity. She's a hag. Alright. Whoa, okay. I don't like that. That wasn't fun. Let me cook another one when we watch Jake cook some more. I want to listen to music. No, I don't want to hear hide and seek. It's too slow. What about what? What about what? Just say. There it is. Did anybody know that this song came from Imagine Heaps or Imagion Heaps or whatever? Hide and Seek. And I'm upset about that because I found out that first.
I'm going to ask.
There's something in the microwave. It's shrimp! Oh, it smells bad. Hey, look! Me! See me? Frenchie? Because I was Frenchie in Greece. So I'm cool like that. Oh, but I kept that going a bit. Oh, okay. I gotta go to the bathroom. Be right back.